Okay, so let's look at this fact that taste is subjective. No one writing style is the best. Worth understanding this. Art is subjective and writing is subjective, meaning what I like, you might not like. What you like, I might not like. It's subjective. People have different opinions. He likes it, she doesn't like it. I like it, you don't like it. You like it, I don't like it, but they love it. It's subjective. No one writing style, whether the most famous or the best-selling books, their writing style are all different. No one writing style is the best. It's that way or nothing else. They're all different. Taste is subjective. What you like, I might not like. What they like, we might not like. And vice versa. There's a book here that everyone loves or everyone hates. Not everyone likes it, not everyone loves it. It's all subjective. When you know the rules, you can break them. When you know the rules of writing, literature, grammar, spelling, punctuation, when you know the rules, then you can break them. But you can break them strategically, not willy-nilly, here, there, everywhere, for the sake of it, but strategically, tactfully. We can do this here, we can do that there, we can change this and change that, do this, do that, instead of the proper way. We can change it to suit the story, suit the character, suit the writing style. When you know the rules, then you can break them. But there are common rules to consider. Full stop, exclamation mark, comma, things like that. Common rules to consider and worth being aware of that we're going to talk more about. But taste is subjective. No one book is perfect. Every book will have their lovers, or its lovers and haters, and people who are indifferent. As simple as that. Every book is different, all different, and there's no one writing style that's the best. How cool is that, language explorers? Something worth understanding. Let's keep exploring.